Well, hello again, everybody, and welcome back to the YouTube channel. And today we've got another Suzuki Jimny available to purchase direct from Japan at the trade export price. So the savings are substantial, and this one actually comes with some accessories fitted to it. So you'll notice the price is a little bit more. So this particular Jimny is a 2025 May registered Suzuki Jimny JC Sierra 1.5i automatic, 2 and 4 wheel drive, high and low ratio gearbox. So this comes with LED headlights and with headlight washers, front fog lights, powered, heated, folding door mirrors with built-in indicators, privacy glass, 15-inch alloy wheels, front side airbags, ABS, brake assist, cruise control, traction control, lanes protection, hill descent, leather-bound steering wheel, heated front seats, and 2 proximity keys, and push button start on the dashboard. And it also, as I said, it's got the proximity keys on the outside. So they never supplied a vehicle of this level of spec in the UK. This vehicle was originally made for the Japanese domestic market. Now this particular one comes with a number of accessories. You'll notice it's got the I think they're very smart looking chrome and black hard spare wheel cover. It's got the floor mats inside the vehicle and the visors over the windows, and you'll also notice that it's got mud flaps all round. Those have been fitted to the vehicle, and so it's a little bit more than the price on. Obviously you've got to cover the cost of those items, which I think does really set the vehicle off. I provide the opportunity for my customers to be able to buy that car direct from the Japanese trade export market at the trade export price. My customers will make a large saving. As you can see, the car's like brand new, but obviously it has been registered in Japan, so technically speaking it's not a brand new car, but it's only done 7 miles from the factory gate. 7 miles. So as you can see, the car is as new as you would expect with that mileage and year. So this vehicle, make it clear, this vehicle is currently in Japan. So there's a massive saving to be made on the UK retail price. UK retail prices on this, are up in the region of 29 and a half. There are some spurious smoke and mirror pricing going on where people are advertising cars and then saying it's plus VAT. This price on this vehicle that I've quoted here is including the duty and the VAT, including my commission. It includes the shipping charges and obviously the cost of the vehicle. So it's the total cost on the road. What's not included in this is the road tax, the UK road tax, which is 220, and what is also not included, and also you see it's got its spare keys there. Also, what's not included is the inland transport from Southampton, or should we say delivery from Southampton. You can go and collect the car yourself if you prefer, and we can arrange transport, but I can't quote that because I never know in advance where in the UK my customers are going to be located. Anyhow, there it is. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@Jap-Auto-Agent.com.